A sun-kissed chick. I just decided to just get the camera and vlog today. Today is Tuesday and I'm having my AMP lab finals today, and I don't know why I woke up very early for some reason and I was just staring. You know that thing when you just wake up and just stare. I also have to go make my hair today. That's why my hair looks like a mess. I think I'm going to try and vlog. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Yeah.
We've been done long before it all begun. Still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the morning.
Hi guys, I'm done with my exam finally, and I came really late. I thought I was just 10 minutes late, but the exam was actually by 9:30 and I came by, so the exam was by 9 o'clock. I thought it was by 9:30 because our usual class time is by 9:30. I really don't know why they changed it to 9 o'clock really, because I mean, like, everybody have schedules and things to do outside school. But the woman like gave us the grace of taking it even though we are late, and I know I did pretty good. Yeah, I'm so happy that everything has, this AMP lab has like gone out, like it's out of my body, because I've been so nervous about writing it because I know how much I've studied. So 2 exams down, 1 to go. So I just realized that I did not do a fit check before leaving the house, and I know I'm sitting down, but I really don't want to leave the car, so I'm going to do a fit check now. I'm putting on this sweater for my sister. She actually is hand crocheted, and she did it. She doesn't want to take the credit for it. I don't know why. Like, she does a lot of crochet work and she doesn't like to show, like, not like show it all, but you know, I did this, so I'm wearing it for her so that people can know that she can crochet. So the hand is actually a baggy sleeve, but she's planning on putting like a band on it, and so I just like roll it up, and it's actually so cute. I was going to wear this alone, like with like a top, like tank top inside, but it's really cold outside. It's really cold outside. Then I put on this light pink top and jewelry. I'm not really like a jewelry person like that. And then I put on this pants, this shoulder, and shoe. So yeah, that's my fit for the day. Nothing crazy, nothing. I don't know what I'm going to be doing right now. mommy have been talking. Mommy asked me what my have been asking. This was
What the dog doing?
I was just checking how big my forehead is right now. I did not vlog yesterday. Like the last time I vlogged was on Tuesday. Yeah, after when I was getting my hair done. So I got my hair done. I think I finished around 12 a.m. Yeah, and I was so tired, and I just came back home. I slept. I woke up. Yesterday was just really like back to back. I and my sister were like locked in, and we were reading, trying to get information, YouTube, website. So it's crazy. And today I'm having an exam today. I'm having my microbiology lab today, so I'm just doing some revision. And I think I woke up by 5 this morning. I think, yeah, I still have another exam tomorrow, and I'm going to try my best to vlog from the beginning to the end. Although I have work tomorrow, but I'm going to like try how I'm going to try like fit everything in. So I'm making breakfast right now for for everybody actually, but right now just for me, my sister, and my brother, my little brother. 7:20 a.m.
Look what you created. Everything surrounding me, you made it. Everything's so beautiful the way it flows together. I think I hear birds singing your praises. Amen. I swear you make me feel like I'm your favorite. Oh, it's the way the birds fly.
I'm in school right now. I'm about to go in to write my exam, and I'm so nervous, guys. Because the professor told us that we're going to do like kind of one-on-one experiments with bacteria and stuff, and it's so I wish myself the best. This is not going to be luck. By the grace of God, I hope I write really well and I'm able to understand the questions, and like I just pray the questions are also straightforward. The little mistake you make in your final exam can bring down your score. Like if you had like a 95, it might just go to an 80, and or maybe 89 or 87, and it's really devastating. I'll catch you guys later. I'm probably going to go to the library after the exam. My sister is also having hers, but later. So I'm going to chill for her. I'm going to wait for her in the library while I'm reading. Oh, tomorrow is my last exam, and I'm so happy. Almost done with this semester, and I'm so grateful. Wow. So catch you guys later. Thank you.
Now listen, daughter, These lies they told are so familiar. They will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage. King will heal you before him. Adore.
I just finished writing my exam and it went very smoothly. This is the, like, of all my finals, this is the best. Yes, because all the questions were straightforward, like on point. They were not like trying to be sketchy or shady or anything. Everything was straight to the point. And what I'm more happy because we did not go through with the lab practical anymore. They use something else that we've already done in the past to grade us, because I mean, if we actually went through it, I might not be done. Like, everyone will be so crowded. I mean, to just be crazy, but I'm so happy. I was going to do a hair review today, but I had to cover my hair because we are going to be working with bacteria today, and I did not want to come home with any trouble, any bacteria, no nothing. So I had to cover my hair. But I said I had to use some strands so that they know the girl got her, so that they'll know that. So I'm going to do a hair review, and I feel like this hair has not marinated inside. Like, you know, when you make a hair, you need to allow the hair to marinate inside you, in your face. I don't feel like it has, but you know, I'm going to remove it off camera to see how it looks like, to see if I'm actually going to do the review now, or maybe like 2 days. Oh yeah. This is what my hair is looking like. I did what is in the code, Seth? This is good. I just zoned out. This is a French coil bob. Yeah, you can see the strands and the details and everything and the color. This was supposed to be my fall look. So happy I got this. It's so cute, so cute. I wish I could like turn the back or something, but yeah.
Now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar. They will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage. King will heal you before him. Adore him. He will give you everything. Come and take your wedding, going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand.
I had to switch up environment because I was starting to get sleepy. And my siblings are back and everybody's like talking, and I'm getting distracted, so I had to switch up the environment. I think it's one thing to just read, and it's another thing to read and record yourself while reading. So it's I forgot most of the time that I was recording, so I didn't really get a lot of clips. Right now I really don't care about getting clips. I just want to read, but I'm going to try as much as I can to get clips, because I really want this video to be about my final weeks. Reading clips, and so yeah, that's what I'm trying to do, but I can't. You can tell I'm busy.
Via the inferior communication. Much smaller
This can't be my forever, no. This can't be my forever, no. And I know they don't see what I see. Prayed on my knees for my peace. Wanna see family feel at ease. Oh, and I know that there's more than this, yeah. And I know that there's more than this, hey, yeah. I pray for a new song, new day, new life, new season. Pray for the hope gone, restore, find life, new reasons. Pray for the soul lost, find hope, find strength, find freedom. Pray, yeah.
This can't be my forever. This can't be, no, this can't be.
I did not vlog at all today. At first, I woke up really late. I was supposed to wake up by 4 this morning. I ended up waking up by 6 and I had just an hour to revise before the exam. Exam was online and this is the toughest I've had throughout the week. The exam was, I give it to them, it was really challenging. Done with my shift for the day and I'm about to head home. I'm actually thinking of getting something for myself to celebrate, maybe order food or I don't know, what is in my mind is to just order food to eat. So I think this is where the video is going to end. I did not plan for the video to be this long, to be honest. I wanted it to just be a study vlog, but I ended up adding more of my routines, like my normal routines I would do at home and school. I wanted it to just be me studying and everything, but yeah, I'm so happy that I pulled this vlog off, and I'm probably going to go home, maybe order that food, and yeah, I might crochet or I might watch a movie, just relax and just chill, because I need to calm my head down. Like I need to rest. Thank you for watching my video. Do well to like and comment and subscribe. Comment which part is your favorite, I guess. I don't know, but yeah, you're definitely going to see me on your screen again. I plan to be consistent, remember. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Bye.